Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Rainbow Crossing Luxury Community by Pulte. Now in this video, we are gonna be going over the Harper floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, this is your very first time tuning in. My name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas or you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up guys? So today we are at Rainbow Crossing Luxury by Pulte Homes. Now guys, we are here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. The nearest cross streets is going to be Rainbow and Blue Diamond. Okay, so we're about 20 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Now guys, this community has been up for quite some time now. I haven't recorded this community yet, so I decided to do so. Plus they still have a bunch of land out here in the southwest, so they're going to continue to make these models, you guys. Now I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 5 different floor plans guys, all ranging from 1,642 square feet all the way up to 4,219 square feet. Okay, one of those, the Beckham, the smallest house, is actually a 1-story, while the other ones are 2 stories, you guys. But the base prices are going to range from $552,990 all the way up to the mid 600s. Okay, when you guys look at base price, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included in the base price. So you definitely want to factor that in if you want a good estimate of how much you're going to be spending. So as far as lot premiums go, the lot premium on average here are about $5,000 to $10,000. Okay. Now the upgrades, what I was told that most buyers are putting about $60,000 to $70,000 of upgrades into these homes. Okay, so you do the calculations, you guys, and that'll give you your total. A couple of things about the community that you guys need to know as well. HOA is $45 a month. Okay. The average lot size in this community is going to be about 5,000. And what they're doing here as well is they're doing mainly building from lot up. So not too many spec homes in this community. Spec homes are quick move-in homes. They're doing more so building from lot up. Okay, so choosing your lot, picking your floor plan, going to the design studio, picking your upgrade. So that's typically about like an 8 to 10 month process. All right. But that's all the information I got for you guys. Let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the Harper floor plan. Now guys, the Harper floor plan is 2 stories, 2,940 plus square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bath, 3 car garage. Okay, and the base price is $609,990. I know it's kind of you have a lot of plants and trees right in the front, but just want to let you guys know that this is the 3-car garage, but that's currently the sales office. But you're gonna have paver driveways, a paver driveway right here, and then you're gonna have desert landscaping. So you won't have this turf in the front, but it's just gonna be rocks, and you're gonna have plants. You do have a choice between 4 different elevations that you could choose from, and I will show you guys that on the screen right now. Now the elevation is just how the exterior looks. Okay, so yeah, you guys could definitely check that out. But yeah, let's check out the house, guys. You're gonna have a 8-foot door right here. First floor is gonna be 9-foot ceiling. This is a 3-car garage. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, this is what you see, guys. You're gonna have some room right here to the right-hand side. You'll see that the stairs are right here. They go to the 2nd floor. Nice high ceilings. Okay. Directly straight, you're gonna have the living room. Now this may look a little weird, but this is going to be the 3-car garage. Okay, so this will be your 3-car garage. Let's take a look, guys. You'll have your coat closet right here, but I believe they have a whole bunch of computers and systems, routers, modems set up right here. Okay. Oh, and then guys, I will also have the floor plan of this house for you on the screen. So go ahead and press pause. You know, it'll give you the dimension of all the rooms and stuff like that. Okay. So we do have the formal dining room right here, living room, as well as the kitchen. Okay. We got the optional electric fireplace. Now the flooring here is all optional, you guys. With the standard flooring you're gonna get, you're gonna have carpet all throughout the house except for the wet areas. So the kitchen and the laundry room, you're gonna have a 12 by 12 ceramic tile. Kitchen in the entryway, you're gonna have the ceramic tile. And then the bathrooms and the laundry room, you're gonna have a vinyl, okay? So very common upgrade buyers do is they always upgrade the first floor. You know, they do vinyl plank or a tile like this, okay? Large kitchen here, plenty of cabinets. Now the standard options for the kitchen, it's gonna be granite. So granite's gonna be the countertop, but you have two different selections you could choose from. As far as the cabinets goes, it's gonna be birch cabinets. You're gonna have also two different color choices. So, you know, if you want something white or something like this, you know, that's optional, guys. As well as if you wanna, you know, get pulls like these. So you got some nice backsplash with the LED lights right under, which is beautiful. Okay, that's also an optional, guys. So here they went with the upgraded kitchen package. So they have the KitchenAid dishwasher, refrigerator, oven. So the standard sink would be like the dual basin sink, stainless steel. So this is optional. Love that there's plenty of windows. Okay, these windows are large too, you guys. So I definitely like that. Okay. So this is gonna be your pantry. So your pantry's right over here. Okay, good sized pantry. Okay, upgraded KitchenAid refrigerator. This may look a little weird coming from the model house, but your 3-car garage is actually gonna start right here, okay? So this is actually gonna be your laundry room. Okay, so this is gonna be your laundry room. And then immediately to the right, this is gonna be your full bath, and this is gonna be your bedroom, okay? So we got a standard closet right over here. Okay, and then again, guys, this is gonna be your full bath, and this is gonna be closed off. You're gonna have a door to your 3-car garage. Okay. Cool. You have this nice side slider as well. But yeah, let's go upstairs. So this stair rail is optional, you guys. Otherwise, it is a pony wall. Okay, this is what you see as soon as you walk in. Nice high ceilings. As soon as you walk up, this is what you see. Right here, you have a little loft. Okay, now let me see. I believe the loft is optional, but you can turn this into a bedroom. So yeah, standard, it would come with a bedroom 4, but this would be a loft. Okay, so standard's a bedroom 4. So you have a little closet right here. Yeah, so I'm sorry, this is the den. So the den, this is upgraded, you guys, into a den, okay? So standard would be a bedroom. Now over here, you're gonna have your primary bedroom, and then you're gonna have your guest bedrooms over here. You also have 8-foot ceilings, you guys, on the 9th floor, and then you're gonna have some storage space right here. So, you know, don't really see this that often where you just have a room for some storage. We'll check out the primary bedroom last, you guys. So right here, you're gonna have your full bath. So you do have this material here, the cabinets, the pulls, the countertop. Okay, this is optional, you guys. Now you will get Moen faucets, but just not that style faucet there. Okay, you also have a shower tub. Now this tile surround is optional as well. Nice. So you have your linen closet, and then you're gonna have a bedroom right over here. So guys, this is going to be 14.5 by 10. Okay, so yeah, 10 feet this way, and then 14.5 sideways here. Okay, pretty large window right there. Oh, nice walk-in closet. So here you are going to have your bedroom 3. So it's going to be 11. This is 11 by 12. Okay. And then you guys also here, I'll show you guys if you want. You can pause the screen if you're curious to know what their warranty is. So, you know, you do have a 1 year on material and workmanship, a 2-year warranty on plumbing, electrical, HVAC, 5 years, gonna cover like water leaks, stuff like that. Okay. And then 10 years structural. And then just if you're curious to know the installation, stuff like that, you guys, this is what they use here. Okay. So you got your transfer grill, jumper ducts. Okay. And then here, I'll show you guys the primary. So you have a linen closet right here. So you got a closet right here. Now remember, this would be a bedroom if you didn't go with a den. So this is the primary bedroom. The owner suite, this is about 16.11 by 14.4 with a, so you have a walk-in closet right here. I want to say this has a his and her closet. Okay. Nice large windows, you guys. So it does have another closet. Oh, this one's even more spacious. Okay. Cool, so you have a linen closet right there. Okay, you guys, now welcome to the full shower right here. Okay. Now this countertop, upgraded countertop, cabinets, the pulls. So yeah, there's actually a couple of different upgrade choices you can do for this, for the bathroom. Let me see here. You could have the glass walk-in shower, the owner's luxury bath. Here's some of the upgrade options I'll show you guys. Okay, so you have the owner's luxury bath, owner's a glass walk-in shower. Okay, and that's just the structural options for the den. Cool. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. If you guys have any questions at all, my info is going to be in the description below. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.